everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Smriti. I'm a plant seller and a plant collector from California, USA, and you are watching Bira Plants. So today I'm back with another planty video. I'm going to repot some of my Anthurium today. I'm super excited. Some of them are from my own collection. So without any delay, let's start the video. I'm gonna start with my Anthurium forgetii. This one is the silver stripes. We also can get the regular one which doesn't have the silver veinings. There's also another type of forgetii which is the dark foam. So you can choose whatever type of leaves you are interested in. I usually love the silveriness in my Anthurium, so I chose this forgetii. The forgetii are very slow grower. I was quite shocked when I saw this leaf. I left this plant at the top shelf where I couldn't really notice, and then later when I saw this leaf, I was like super happy, excited, and shocked that this plant grew this big leaf. I have 3 Anthuriums today and all of them are past due repotting period. They all are very desperate to be transferred in different pots. I think this Anthurium is also very sensitive to bright light, watering schedule. That's why they always show signs through yellowing leaves and light leaves. Usually I love my Anthurium's leaf green, dark green, and sometimes they go very light and pale, which I really don't like, and this Anthurium is not very good for beginners, as we tend to be very upset whenever our plant looks sad and not happy, and then we don't know what's going on with the plant. I'm trying to take all the leca out. The roots looks fine. There's no root rot, which is really good. Okay. Let me give her a quick rinse and come back. Okay, so I always put a little bit of leca before putting the plant inside the pot. I hope it's not noisy. So this is how I put it, and then I put the leca on the side, and then just try to I should pause her and then talk, because it's kind of noisy with all the leca sound. Okay, so I'm done potting her. So I put a little bit of leca before putting the plant inside the pot, so that there is a little bit of space for the roots, so that whenever it grows, it can have more space to go down and explore. And then I think that's a good idea too, because usually when you don't make space under the roots, you tend to put water, and if most of the roots are submerged in water, there might be chances of getting root rot, which you don't want. So I think that's a better idea to do. Also, when I'm putting leca, I try to squish the pot so that the leca can go inside, and then it can cover the roots and be mixed with the roots, so that the roots aren't inside and then all together. That also can create root rot in future. So yes, Anthurium forgetii is done. I'm gonna pour some water here later. So let's go with the second Anthurium. That is Anthurium crystallinum. I love this plant. So Anthurium forgetii and Anthurium crystallinum are from my collection. I'm trying to hold them for a long time so that I can enjoy like big full pot of them. Usually we don't get this size anthuriums, especially if it is rare. So I'm trying to hold them, and then they are for myself. This one, as I said, this one is also very root bound, and the roots are coming out of the pot, and the roots are looking like noodles. They are like screaming and telling me to repot them. I'm taking out the leca first, being very gentle because the roots are already tight and you don't want to damage or stress the roots. So you squish the plastic pot a little by little, and then it should come out easily. It's better not to force the roots, as it can damage and put more stress to the plant. Oh my god. I've been holding back this repotting video for a while and holding my plants too, and they are not happy with me. Ooh. I'm pretty sure this one's not gonna come out. So there we go. But the roots look super healthy. I'm happy. And also there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 or 4. I mean, I can divide this plant into 3 or 4 plants. But I'm not gonna do that because I want them to grow and be large and bushy. As a plant seller, it's very easy for you to sell plants, and then sometimes like you sell your wish list plants, which is very bad, as later you're gonna regret selling them. So right now I'm trying to hold back some of my plants and then trying not to sell it, as it's very tempting as a plant seller. But as a plant lover, you like to keep it to yourself, see it grow. It's very rewarding. Also, it's for my YouTube channel so that you guys can see my plant collection and see it grow, and then you can be inspired to grow more. Okay. Roots look super healthy. Let me rinse it so that I can get rid of some of the rot. I'll be back. Alright. So as per usual, I'm gonna put a little bit of leca first. I try to spread the roots out so that it's not going to be placed in just one place. That can cause root rot as well. Okay, so she's done and she looks beautiful. I hope she's gonna be happy in her new pot. So this is my Anthurium crystallinum, and you guys will be seeing her more in my future video as well. Okay, so let's go with my third plant. Here's my third plant. She is a hybrid. She is a hybrid of Anthurium papillilaminum and Anthurium magnificum. I had few pots of her, and I only have 2 left, and one of the pot is in soil mix and she is in leca, so she is also very root bound. I think that's the reason that she dropped one of her leaf. Yeah, today is your day. I'm gonna pot her in a bigger pot. Oh, where's her pot? I have to get her another pot because I think this will be big for her. Alrighty, so let's take her out of this pot. Anthurium hybrids are also getting popular these days, as people say that when it's a hybrid they are less fussy and then they are stronger as they have 2 parent gene in them. And I can see this plant is very strong in compared to other Anthuriums. They are not very humidity freak. They do appreciate high humidity, but they are not very humidity freak as Anthurium warquinum, Anthurium regal. They show sign of being unhappy whenever the humidity drops down, which is a very good thing, as some of us are very new to Anthuriums and rare exotic plants. So you don't want your plant to die. That might be very painful, and then sometimes people tend to be very afraid to get another plant as they think that they are not good plant parent. But it depends on what plant you are getting. So maybe I'll be making a video about what plant you should get when you are just a beginner. What do you guys say? I think that's a very good idea. Well, if you know what you are getting into. So whenever you get warquinum or Anthurium regal or other hard to take care Anthuriums, then you will know that the plants are very sensitive to things, and then you will think first before getting them. So if you get like Anthurium magnificum or the hybrid, they are very easy to take care, and they are also a fast grower, I must say. Anthurium magnificum is very easy in compared to other Anthuriums. So it's also very rewarding, as Anthurium magnificum leaves are very magnificent and they grow. Each leaves, they are bigger as per my experience. That's why the plant name is also called magnificum. So I think that plant is a very good sort of plant for a beginner plant parent. Or if you are not into rare plants, you can go and get a Anthurium that is regular one, which is common and which you can get in a regular big box store. I forgot the name, but it has like different colors of flowers. They are very easy to care. They are not light. They can survive in low light. Yeah, they are not very demanding. I think you should go for what you think that is better for you, and don't be sad if the plant die on you. I think that happens to all of us, even if you think you are good at it, but sometimes it can be very tricky and then they can die, and that's not the end of the world. So I rinse the root a little bit, and then it is not compulsory to rinse the root, but I like to do it because sometimes there's like small dead roots and I want to get rid of them. have to repotter soon. Okay, so I'm done with repotting my anthuriums today, and I'm gonna put water on the pots. Usually I put a little bit, like 2-3 drops of Super Thrive in regular water whenever I'm repotting or whenever there is a plant that has been chipped. I heard that Super Thrive is good for the plant that are in stress. It calms them down, and that's the reason I put Super Thrive in water and put them in each pot. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and give me a thumbs up if you guys want to see more of these repotting videos, and I will be back with more videos in future. Till then, take care and bye bye.